Hey guys, John Price here at E.C.D Automotive Design down in Kissimmee, Florida. Today showcasing our E.C.D custom crew cabs. As you can see out here, it's an absolutely stunning vehicle. We'd like to highlight some of the benefits and some of the attributes that we believe clients like about going with a style such as this. Of course, in this particular car, our client wanted to have a more heritage look to the vehicle and added some modern elements, of course, as well. The two-tone Chutton white and Keswick green combination is absolutely fabulous, and you see even the sawtooth wheels painted to match the upper section of the body, of course, come together very nicely, where you can also see some details like the folding down steps, a little throwback in the heritage style in there as well. And of course, you see the pickup bed all raptor lined in black and a couple of decorative cushions in there in case, of course, you like to go tailgating or just sit around and relax, of course, shoot the breeze for a little bit out there as well. I'll think that most clients that want to go with a vehicle like this, are looking at maybe going into explorations or going for drives around the woods every now and then, or the beach for that matter, and they just don't want to be concerned about throwing stuff in the back and getting it wet or getting it damaged. So for something like this, of course, you have a proper pickup if you like to put your gear away as you go down into those type of activities as well. Also the styling, of course, this looks like nothing else, and the fact that it's much more unique compared to the station wagon makes it a very desirable style as well. Some folks have done the rear cage alone, as you can see here. Some folks have done the upper roof rack per se. And you can also, interestingly, do a full extended roll cage similar to a station wagon on a crew cab as well. Will look pretty cool. In fact, we have a project that will be coming up in a few months in which we've taken those two design elements together, and looks absolutely amazing too. So yet again, a vehicle like this could be equipped with an LS3, LT1, or even an LT4 GM engine, air suspension for better handling and comfort. And within the inside of the car, we also have a couple of different configurations that you can do. In here, of course, you notice this gorgeous tan distressed leather with a plaid material in the center of the seats, as well as the door inserts with some custom vintage style gauges as well. That looks fantastic. So you can do, of course, your two seats on front, and in the back, this client decided to do just a 2+2 just to gain a little bit more room in between there, the seats for added gear, storage, etc. For things they might want to put away. Well, you can certainly do a bench if you like to do a full bench for 3, giving you a total of 5 passengers as the max in there. Another interesting detail, besides the sunroof, the client also wanted to add a glass panel to bring up a little bit more light into the cabin, which is something, of course, that we can certainly customize for you as well down here at E.C.D. Details like metal door handles and overall touches around the car, just like in a station wagon, of course, you can do in the pickup. We're just giving you a little bit more of that edgy feel and styling compared to the regular station wagon, I believe. So whether it's something like this, of course, or something that you would like to modernize or make it more robust or rugged, whatever the case may be, we can certainly take it in whichever direction you prefer and build your dream car.